Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the stairs and we also create the powder room. As you can see, we have all of that set up. So now what I want to do is to create a laundry room right here. So let's go to level 1, and similar to others, we're gonna make it as model in place. But before that, I want to insert the laundry, and then we need to have a sink as well. So let's go to insert, load family, and then we need to go to sink. So we need to go to plumbing, architectural, and then fixtures. And then we have sink here, and we're just going to use something that is just a single one. I think this is good enough. Click open, and then type in CM. And then space bar, and we need to add it on one of this one right here. And then we need enough room here. So we're going to insert again. We need to load the specialty equipments. So go back to the main. Go to specialty equipment, and then domestic, and then mid-range. We will look for a front loader, dryer. We have a dryer, and then we have a washer, top load. So we could use this one as well. We can change this to front load, both of them, and then dryer front load. So we could create a box out of it. So we could add it nicely there, custom build area. So let's go load both of them, and then type in CM, and then we have the washer here. We could add right here near this area, and then we need to go add the other one as well. And then here, dryer. And then I don't want any of those labels showing, so I'm just going to uncheck them. In terms of depth, you can assess how this one will look, but I'm planning on adding all of this to have tabletop or countertop. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to align this at the back here, and then here as well. Align them all together. I'm giving it enough room. If you want, you can edit this so that the depth is different. So now what I want to do is to create, so what I'm going to do is to create the base cabinet for this. So I'm gonna do that, but here, as you can see, I'm going to align this one at the top here, because I know we need to create the opening for those. And then let's create the model in place. So model in place, generic model, press OK, and then OK. Extrusion, pick a plane, and this is going to be in this wall right here. And then after that, we need to change the material. I'm going to use another wood material. And then click apply, OK. And then let's add this one right here. Then we could align it right about here. So on top of this, and then we're going to have, we could actually, we need to move this one up 25 millimeters more because the top part will be flat on that area. And then here, I'm actually going to make it a little bit bigger because we're going to create this opening right here. And then we need to delete this part right here and then SL. So we're going to create a casing. And then here it's around 350 or maybe more actually. So click finish, go to level 1 and then expand it more. Something like that. And then go finish, and then we need to mount this one 25 millimeters more. So I'm going to align it first at the top and then move it 25. So we have our estimation now. And then what we can do is go back to level 1, select this one, edit in place, and then we need to create the top. So I'm going to set this one, pick a plane, and then select this top right here. And then here we need to create, I'm going to use this to be duplicated. Going to use rectangle so that it's easier. And then I'm going to make it thick 25. Click finish. Look at it at 3D if you want. And as you can see, that's exactly right there. Exactly at the top. So now what we just need to do is cut geometry on the sink so that we can see that. So create void extrusion, and then select this one, open this one around here, click finish, go to section, and then pull it up and then pull it down, and then cut geometry, check it at 3D, and everything is showing as you can see, and then click finish again. So now we have this one. We just need to create the faces for our cabinets here, and then also we need to have some like open storages right here. So with that said, edit in place again, and then create, pick extrusion, and then pick this one, and then change this to the same one that we just have. I just forgot what's this one, so Gulam 32C. So now I know I can just create the extrusion again, pick a plane, select this one, and then we could Gulam 32C is the one that we need to use. And then I'm going to create the shelvings. We can create the shelvings similar to that. We can maximize the height, so 200 from the top. And then here we could have the shelvings as well. And then if you want, we can maximize this. We could put it all the way right here, and then TR, trim and extend, and then trim and extend. And then offset this one 25. There we go. And if you want, we can maximize the space and really place it at the end. So now we just need to trim and extend. Then this one is around 350 as well. 350. And then of course we need the shelvings now, so maybe right here and then right here, and then maybe in the middle here. I think that's good enough. And then offset this again to 25. And then now all the intersection, SL, we need to open it. And then trim and extend the excess. Okay. So now click finish, and then now we're seeing that this one is over, so we could fix that one. But this one is, you just need to delete that. Click finish, and then we still have a problem here, so we just need to close it off. There we go. Go to 3D to see how it looks, and that looks good right there. You have enough space. You can make this one shelvings if you want. Edit extrusion, and then I'm just gonna quickly add this shelvings right here. And then SL, and then TR. So that's perfect right there. And then what we can do is to have this one there. So now let's create an extrusion again. Pick a plane. And then we're gonna select this plane right here. Make sure this is the one that is highlighting. And then we're still using 32C Gulam for material. And what I want to do is to add something right here. Offset to 10. space bar, and then here as well, and then space bar if you're going outer. And then after that, this one is just 10. And then now we could change the sizing here. There we go. Okay, so this one we have 800, and then this one, let's make it 800 as well. I think that's good enough. And then maybe just one here in the midpoint. And then I'm going to do an offset with pick lines. And then this one needs to be in the middle. I think that's good enough. And then SL. And then TR, trim and extend. Okay, so, and then after that, click finish. And then now we need to create a void extrusion. So pick a plane and we're gonna select the door. And then this one, -5, and then this one is 5. And we're gonna use this and then offset this one to 250. And then space bar to go from the inside. And then once you're done, click finish, cut geometry, and then finish again. And then as you can see, that's looking good. It's up to you if you want to add the handle, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just going to select this one right here, CS, so that's create similar, and then I'm just going to add it right here. And then after that, go to section so that you'll be able to see it properly. And then I'm going to draw axis, and then I'm just going to assume the midpoint right here so that I don't need to do it anymore. And then CO, add it to the corner right here. And then both of this, CO again to copy, and then put this one right about here. And then that's looking good right there. I'm happy with the result that we have. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some backings here. So edit in place. I'm gonna do and add this material as well. Extrusion, pick a plane, and I'm gonna select the wall, and I'm just going to put 5 and then 0 here. And then let's just add the background here, align it here, and then here as well. Delete this one, trim this one here, and then we can delete this as well so that we could have all the way to the bottom here. Material, this one, and then click finish, and then another one, create extrusion, pick a plane. I'm gonna put a backsplash. And then here I'm gonna choose a tile, mosaic tile, apply OK, and then just add it right here, and then click finish, and then finish. If you want to see it unrealistic, we can have it similar to that. So at least everything looks nice. In 3D, we also have it like that. And then lastly, I want to add a window onto this part right here. And then select cut geometry under modify, select the window, and then the curtain wall, and then there you go, we have a window there, and that's looking good. I'm happy with the way everything looks right here. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.